Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ready to make this year your most productive one yet? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to plan a powerful 12-week year inside Notion, using a sleek, totally free template. By the end, you'll have a professional-looking setup to track your biggest goals and stay motivated, no matter what you're working on. Plus, you'll get a Notion template that's easy to customize, so really, anyone can do this, even if you're brand new to Notion. Let's jump right in. We'll be using the free 12-week year template in Notion. Starting with a template saves you so much time. It's kind of like skipping straight to the good part, because all the basic structure and design work is already done for you. You're not staring at a blank page wondering where to begin. Instead, you've got a framework used by professionals, which you can tweak as much as you want later. To get started, open your Notion Workspace. Find the drop-down menu in the top left. This is your main hub for options in Notion. Click it, and you'll notice an option called Browse Templates. This is where Notion stores all kinds of pre-made layouts for different needs. Templates are the secret weapon for Notion users because they instantly give you the building blocks you need. Now, in that search bar, type 12-week year. You'll see several templates pop up, designed specifically for short-term goal planning. Take your time to browse through them. Each one might have a slightly different style, some with clean dashboards and habit trackers, others with more detailed checklists. So pick the one that visually appeals to you the most. Selecting the right template might seem minor, but if you like how it looks, you're more likely to actually use it every week. Once you find a template you like, click Add. This will automatically pull the template into your workspace. No complicated setup, just a few clicks, and you're ready to go. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. This part is pretty smooth, and you can always delete and try a different template if you change your mind. With your template added, the real fun begins. Start filling in your credentials, so that's your name, your personal mission, or whatever details make this workspace feel truly yours. Don't just rush through this section. Customizing the template is almost like laying the foundation for your entire 12-week plan. The more you personalize, the more invested you'll be in sticking with it week after week. Next, you can add your goals, strategies, or priorities. This is really the heart of the 12-week year framework. Maybe you want to launch a side project, learn a new skill, or improve your health habits. Write those ambitions out clearly in the template. You'll also see places to add creatives or resources you might need during your journey. For example, if one of your goals is to learn graphic design, your creatives section might have links to favorite YouTube channels or online courses. And remember, everything in Notion is customizable. Feel free to rearrange sections, rename them, add emoji, make it visually inspiring, and make it work for you. This flexibility is a big part of what makes Notion so popular for productivity setups. And that's really all it takes. You now have a fully functional, visually polished 12-week year planning dashboard inside Notion. It's ready for your big ideas, and you can return to it each week to track progress or make tweaks along the way. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps the channel out a lot. If you run into any questions or want advice about customizing your template, drop a comment below. I always reply. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials and free Notion resources. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your 12-week year.